Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A04 smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can stop auto screen rotation in your phone Samsung Galaxy A04. First of all, open any app in your phone. Here I open Google Chrome. I open Google Chrome from my phone, and here I would like to rotate my phone. See here, I would like to rotate my phone like this, and screen is also rotated. So screen is rotated from portrait to horizontal position. If you want to stop this rotation, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just go to the notification area and click on auto rotate option, and it will set to the portrait now. And now go to the same app and try to rotate your phone. Screen is not rotated because it is fixed in portrait. Okay, if you want to have auto rotation, go to the notification area again and click on portrait button. Click on portrait button and it will turn to auto rotate. Just go to the same app Google Chrome and try to rotate your phone. Screen is rotated. In the landscape itself you can lock okay, you can lock the orientation. So here if you want to lock in this position, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is, from this position itself you have to go to the notification area and click on auto rotate, and now it will turn to landscape. See here, this auto rotate button is turned to landscape, and screen is fixed in landscape position. This position now screen cannot be rotated from landscape to horizontal. See here, I rotate my phone, but the screen is not rotated from landscape to landscape to portrait. Okay, if you want to have the rotation, again you got to go to the notification area and click on landscape, and it will turn to auto rotate. Now screen can be rotated. See here. So in this way you can easily stop screen rotation, or you can do the auto screen rotation whenever you want. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.